Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Lightning McQueen, and this one is by Mattel actually, and this is from their, the movie series Cars. And it was a bit hard to get my hands on this, but I bought it for around 900 or so. When the MRP is only 499. So I bought it from one of my friend. He's from my group, so he sold it for me, and so he bought it for 900. So he sold it to me for the same price. So I didn't bargain on this because I don't want to. Okay, let's open and see how this one looks. I personally want to see if this one is made of metal or not. Okay. Let's just put this aside. Okay. So here it is. So the initial impressions of this car are like, we just put some light here. I hope it is clear now. So it looks really nice. It looks really beautiful. I don't see any irregularities in the paint job. So as Mattel being Mattel, they painted everything out. The headlights, tail lights, and everything. And okay, so the body is actually made of metal, and okay, chassis is plastic, yeah. And the wheels are actually made of plastic. So the body looks solid actually. So it is not like cheap or anything. It is really solid. You can see some detailing here. You can't see the engine or anything here because we never got to, at least I never saw in the movie so far. Maybe. Okay, yeah, see the spoiler here, this is actually made of plastic, this is not metal, and this is actually latched onto the body here, you can see. So there is that. The paint job is really awesome and I don't have any issues with it. So actually this is a very old package. If you see, okay, let me just see that card here. I think this was, yeah, okay, this was imported during 2020. So it is like, anyways, 4 years old now. Still, it looks really good. I didn't see any paint chipping or bubbling or anything like that. It says World Grand Prix. Okay. The paint job could be in a bit better, because you can see the paint being a bit pixelated here. It is like a very low quality paint job. Okay, the mouth part here it is actually engraved into it. It is not paint or anything. I think you can see it here. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick as usual. So okay, this doesn't have any suspension, if you guys are wondering. Okay, it rolls well, and I don't see any wheel wobble, at least nothing visible to my eye. Yeah, there is no wheel wobble. It rolls really well. It is not so fast, but it does roll really well. It does make a lot of noise though, but it looks really nice. And it is a bit heavy. So like a premium range of Hot Wheels car, if you take it in your hand, it feels a bit heavy. So it is heavy to similar range. Not that heavy, but it's somewhere between the main lines and the premiums. The fuel cap is actually embossed and painted on it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.